Okay, this is Steve from Signature Garden Services, quoting Tony Boyle, 24 Banfield Place, Maroochydore, for an irrigation system into his backyard. Basically everything green in the backyard is to be automatically watered. The place that we will install one system I've settled on will be this blue line that you can see just inside. It's actually feeding the water here, so it's definitely permanent water. So from here we can get a really clean installation for the for a 4-zone irrigation system. And so with 4 zones, to talk about the system, it's Bluetooth controlled, it's battery operated. You can see how much power is on the system, so plenty of warning to change out the batteries. They last about 18 months. It's proven very, very reliable for all of my customers. Haven't had too much of an issue at all. Hardly get any callbacks. So very reliable system, very easy to use. You have an app and can program it, and basically when you set it, you forget it, apart from the change of the season. So you'd be looking at it a few times a year. So the 4 zones will be split. Each plant through here will have its own drip irrigator at the root zone of each plant. That way we're not wasting water. It's a very water-wise system. Misters, clog up, break. This is quite a robust system that I've developed over the years. So all of these plants here will be watered. The pop-up irrigation system will be installed into the grass. It's quite a non-invasive way that we install it, so you'll hardly know that we have done the installation, and it will just work from the get-go. The grass won't be impacted too much the way that we do it. So we'll have pop-up spraying this way, radiating, and spraying this way and radiating, and that will get the coverage that is required. Next, if we come over, so we've got to bring pipes from there through the grass, then underneath the deck, and then around and irrigating all of the plants through this section here, coming up to the wall there. Plants will be irrigated. We are able to get piping behind all of this decking here, so we don't need to have unsightly pipes coming over walls and things like that. We'll be able to make it all very neat, so that it's a clean installation. As is with these pots, we'll go the extra mile, bringing lines up through the pot and into the plants, so you hardly know that we've done the work. And then the last section, just to cover off, is through here. And once again, each plant here will have its own drip irrigator on a spike. We'll put a few in to the veggie garden so that it gets its watering requirements. Each dripper is also, you can tailor the amount of water that comes out of each dripper independently. So very customizable system if you've got some plants that require less water than others. Check my reviews on Google. We always strive to do great work, and talk to you soon.